All right, and we're back. Okay, hopefully this angle works. All right, coming up due for a clutch adjustment on the Sport Glide, and I do not want to put the Willie G skull cover back like I did when I first bought the bike. So I've been looking for a derby cover for it, and I finally picked this up. Okay, 257-00973. It's a derby cover. It's the chrome derby cover for the Sport Glide and later 19 Softails. So we're going to check it out real quick. But hopefully, in the pictures, it showed everything was there except for a, what you call it? Oh, come on. A gasket. So I did not see a gasket. I mean, you can reuse them. I can reuse the one that I have now, but let's see what we got here. All right, there's the screw kit. So we got some brand new derby cover screws. Do not see a gasket. So, but there we go. Nice and pretty, brand new chrome cover. Because you know the primary cover is chrome. So I didn't want a polished one or a black one. I was looking for a chrome replacement. So I'll have to probably just pick up a new derby cover gasket. I actually may have one in the garage, but if not, I may just pick one up just instead of reusing the old one. So just to be safe, because then I know I can get a couple of adjustments out of it. But long story short, another eBay deal, brand new in the box. This thing lists for like, I want to say 70 bucks, I think, plus tax. I got it for $25 shipped. Again, brand new in the box. How can you go wrong? So for 25 bucks shipped, I can get that skull, Willie G skull off of there, and, you know, be happy. Because, you know, I've been, as you guys know, you've been watching, I've been stripping the Willie G crap off. Every chance I get, I find something, I take it off. So again, that's the part number right there. You can see this is dated 5/23/18, so it's new old stock, because I think the part number's actually changed. Either way, it doesn't matter. It's the correct one. It's the narrow derby cover for the Softail, so it'll do the trick. All right, with that said, thanks for watching, and don't forget to hit like and subscribe if you want to see a clutch adjustment and swap out of the derby cover. All right, I'll see you guys in the next one.